2010 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. I think 3.7 liter, I'm not sure. Anyways, you got factory converter up there, secondary converter up there, down here. Then we did a resonator delete in the middle. Then they wanted duals. So what do? We do duals. There and there. Into his factory tip. There and there, like nothing happened. All you get is the sound. There's the resonator we cut off, the intermediate pipe, and the muffler. That's before, and this is after. A lot better, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2015 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. What we got done on it for you guys. Still got factory converters up there. One there. One there. Then it's got two secondary converters right there. Then it winds into a single. We kept the resonator. He didn't want it too loud. Then 2.5-inch pipe. And we did a rear muffler delete. There and there with a custom Y pipe. There's the original muffler. It's like 50 pounds. Super long. There's the muffler delete that we did on it. Right there. And right there. Into black 4-inch tips. This side and this side. If you guys like it, please subscribe. Hit the like button. And do everything that you guys do to support us and keep us going. We really appreciate everything you guys do with us. And I hope you guys like the content that we produce. Let you guys hear it in a second. 2011 Hyundai Genesis. So we added the Magna packs, part number 10415. Still got the factory converters there and there. Then it's got the 2.25 pipe, secondary converters there. Then we put two shiny, beautiful MagnaFlow Magna packs. One on each side, right there and right there. Part number 10415. We'll put a link in the description if you guys want to purchase it. Then it's got 2.25 pipe all the way back, straight out the back. These muffler deletes have been done by somewhere else. And this is the difference between good pipe and cheap pipe. It rusts a lot faster. And then he left the original tips, just reused them there and there. It's a Hyundai Genesis 4.6 liter V8. When it was straight pipe, it reached 117 on the sound decibels. So we'll let you guys hear it now and show you what a difference these Magna packs do. 2016 Hyundai Equus, the 5.0 beast. Anyways, it's got stock converters there, right there, and right there. Then it's got secondary converters there. And what we got done on it, we cut the resonator off and put two flow effects. Part number 71415, right there, two of them. There'll be a link in the description if you guys want them. Really pretty. Then we got 2.25 pipe, and we did a rear muffler delete there and there. There's the two massive mufflers we cut off. There's the mid resonator we cut off, right there. There they are. That's what they look like. That's after. That's how you do a muffler delete on them, and flow effects in their place in the middle. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Tell us what you guys think. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. 2.0 turbo. It's not a 3.7. It's a 2.0 turbo. Sorry. Sounds good. I got sound decibels. 102. Go ahead and back it out. The Genesis Coupe 3.8 liter. Much better. us know. Again. Rev it up higher. There we go. There's sound decibels. Again. It's right at 112. 118. Oh, that's awesome. You guys like it? All right. Now you can actually hear it. You know, it's breathing. That sounds so good. It's good to keep that resonator on it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Much better. It's a lot cleaner sound now, as you guys can see. Look at the difference in sound decibels. Go ahead. So it peaked at like 109. It brought it down to about 10 to 12 decibels, which is not bad at all. From 117 to 107, 110. And it's a lot quieter at idle too now, as you guys can hear. A lot quieter. Still sounds good though. Hyundai Genesis, baby. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. Leave us a subscribe, please, and hit that like button if you like that sound. Let you guys hear on the Hyundai Equus. Ooh. Damn. That's what you wanted, right? All right. There's sound decibels. Right at 113. There's everything we cut off. That's perfect. Hit the head, the nail on the head. That's their luxury line, man. Beautiful parts. Oh. What do you guys think of the sound? That sounds good. Let you guys hear it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Turbo. Yeah, man. Hope you guys like it. Hyundai Genesis Coupe. 3.8 liter rear muffler delete with 4-inch black tips. Traffic, traffic. This sounds alright. That's what you guys think? Hell yeah! Alright, you can leave now. Okay. No, go that way. You guys going back up here or the freeway?
Going up that way.
Yeah, just go through there.
I'm gonna get on the gravel before I get on the gravel.
Yeah. Genesis. He said he's gonna go beast mode. Let's see. Beast mode. Equus. Let's see if he gets on it. Hopefully he does. Flow FX and rear muffler delete. Flow FX in the middle. Yeah, that thing's bad.